What's up, guys? Welcome back to Picky Garage. I actually just made a video. That's why I'm wearing the same stuff, and sorry for the detail gloves. I'm trying to get better at oh man, I just ruined that box. I'm trying to get better with these chemicals that are not really good for your hands. But I actually picked up some Meguiar's Quik ceramic clay kit. It comes with a synthetic clay mitt and Meguiar ceramic detailer. I'll just open up the pack so you guys can see it. Nice ceramic detailer. This is it has the SOI or SiO2 technology, the silica technology. One second, let me get everything else out of here. So here's the mitt, the clay mitt, and this is a microfiber towel just to wipe off the car. It actually comes with a big one. Wow, that's really nice. It's actually super plush too and works really well. You can see these. Damn, that's actually super nice. Wow, I will totally use that. This is a nice little clay mitt. I actually like these a lot better than actual clay, because if you drop this, you can just wash it off. How this kit works is you would take the ceramic detailer. I'll actually show you guys a portion of the car. Actually, let me run you guys through the process of claying a car real quick. So first, you want to wash the car. So that process is rinse it down. I use bug release to get the bugs off the front of the car. From there, I like to foam the car up. From there, you want to rinse the car off, depending on how dirty it is, and then foam it up again. If it's not that dirty, one foam is fine. And then you want to take a bucket with whatever your shampoo solution is. Then you can use Iron X to get the iron off the car. If your car isn't driven that much, you don't really need that product. Sometimes they can be very expensive. Start the clay process. To clay a car, you would take your panel and spray it down. So it's sprayed, and then you also want to spray the synthetic pad just so it's a liquid to liquid, and then you would just go back and forth. What this does is it takes out all the little imperfections that you might have missed with a wash. Wow, that's actually smells really good. And then you can just, with the rag, wipe it down. And that's pretty much how you use it with the clay. But today, I actually want to use it just as a drying aid. That's what I normally use my silica sprays for. You can use this product without having a ceramic coating. Some of my other go-to products are CarPro Reload and PNS Bead Maker. Those are my two favorite silica sprays. So that's what I'm going to be comparing this product to. And how I use those are, after I'm done washing my car, just to give it that extra paint sealant layer, you know, for extra hydrophobic properties, water beading, repelling, all that stuff. I actually spray the whole car with this, and I wipe it down and dry it, use it as a drying aid. And normally I let it cure for about 24 hours, and it will leave your car and paint, you know, that really slick finish. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that with this product. What I actually wanna do is, I'm gonna put these over here. I'm gonna put this mitt in a safe spot so I can use it another time, because I'm actually not going to clay bar my car today. So I mean, it's pretty wet, so I'm actually gonna, you know, blow dry it off first using my blaster and the leaf blower, and then I will hand dry it and show you that process. One second. All right, guys, so now that I have the car, you can see it. The great thing about a ceramic coating is the water just falls right off. But now what I like to do is I just like to use this, you know, any type of silica spray. This is the ceramic detailer. You can also use this product if your car, you know, it just got wet and you just want to clean off some little, you know, dust and debris marks, any dust. You can go ahead and spray this on the paint and wipe it off. It's great for that. From what I've researched and looked up, this product is absolutely phenomenal and goes head to head with the other products that I've, you know, talked about. I've also done reviews on those products. But as today's application, I'm going to use it as a drying aid. So what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to spray it on the paint. It smells absolutely delicious. I'll just do the first, panel, couple panels actually. Get the doors. You can probably do 1 to 2 sprays per panel, and that'll be good. Also spray your mitt, and then I just do a wipe off technique to wipe it off. It actually smells phenomenal. As you can see, it does a great job of picking up all the water. What this is also going to do is it's going to do a little paint sealant action on your car, allowing you to have that smooth buttery paint feel and that slick finish. But yeah, so that's pretty much how I'm going to use it on this car. Also, I'm using the microfiber, the Meguiars microfiber drying aid towel. It's absolutely phenomenal. I don't know if there's a towel that... This towel does the best job of wicking water. I mean, it just pulls the water right off. I don't think I've ever used a towel that is as good as this one is at... Look, watch this, watch. I don't know if you can see that. Gone. Phenomenal job. I don't like using it on the black, but this is a very plush towel, so I think I'll be okay. It does a very good job at wicking the water off. Get that underneath. Don't like any watermarks. Get in the grooves. But yeah, I mean, right now, I mean, you can actually see, look up here. You can see how slick the paint is. Absolutely phenomenal. Phenomenal. Really great product. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of the car, spray the rest of the car down, and give you my final. So today is, actually it's been probably about a little over a week since I used this ceramic hybrid detailer on the GT350R, and the results are really stunning. So these results are not only due to, my car's been ceramic coated, and I hit it with the Car Pro Reset before I use this ceramic detailer. So this ceramic detailer just gives it that extra step. I believe that this SO2 or SiO2 sealant or Quik detailer, whatever you want to call it, did a phenomenal job at doing that top layer coat. I actually did do some overspray. That's one thing that I noticed was the difference between this Meguiar's Quik detailer and like the PNS bead maker. You really have to wipe it off a little bit more than the PNS bead maker. I would say it's on par with Reload and on par with PNS bead maker. The paint is very slick. Like I said, it's been about probably 4 days, so it's cured. And as you can see, you can see the reflection, in the paint. Here's where you can really tell the black, but there's a little bit of dust on there since it's been sitting. But I'm really pleased with the product. I think it's a phenomenal product. It's a great product to use if you're, cleaning your car. You can also do it like, let's say, for example, right here on the 350R, a lot of debris builds up. So what you can do is you can just spray it with this. Make sure you spray it down heavy. Just do it a little a wipe with the microfiber towel that Meguiar's gives you in the kit. I think it's a great buy. I would totally buy this again. I'm really excited to try some of the other ceramic products that Meguiar's has to offer. I actually have them right over here. I'm going to be doing a review of these shortly. I have the ceramic wax, and I also have the liquid spray ceramic wax. So I'm going to test both of these products out as well and review for you guys. But I do have to say I'm very pleased. Look at this mirror finish. Your results may vary. Like I said, I have a ceramic coated car. I use CarPro Reset, so it's a very you know, smooth surface to begin with. But I mean, the shine on this thing is just unparalleled. It's really sinister. It's crazy. I mean, you can see the reflection, you can see the glossiness, really great gloss factor, smooth to the touch. The hydrophobic properties are, you know, just like the other ones. I think you can't go wrong with any of these products. Like I said, guys, it's a great product. If you're thinking about picking it up, you can probably pick this up anywhere, probably AutoZone. I buy all my stuff off Amazon. The links to this stuff and everything else that I use is always in the description below. As always, guys, thanks so much for watching. I also did put some on the wheels. I mean, the gloss finish, very smooth to the touch. I'm really happy with this product. I will totally use it and keep it in my arsenal, and give it to friends and family, because I think it's absolutely phenomenal product, and I'm glad to have found it and used it. If you guys have any other questions or comments about this product, feel free to comment below, and I will get back to you ASAP. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.